Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Part 2 on this. I failed to mention one of the reasons you'd want to do a cut line around an item or an object is to get rid of the white background. And when I put the bear on the video on the icon, it showed up as a white background. So you can see there's a white background. Well, we can get rid of that with the contour tool. I'm actually going to fill that in with blue, and I'm going to move it over, and I am going to select my blue and the bear and go right here to intersect. And what that did, that put the white background away. I mean, it just took it away from the bear. So now you have a good clean, and we still have that contour line, and we can put it back and it'll cut that bear out. So, in case there were some little pieces of white that we didn't get, it wouldn't show up. Or if you make it a bigger contour like we did earlier, let's just do that again. Go up to effects and contour. We'll go and contour that same 0.1. And then we'll go and go to object, break the contour apart, get rid of the interior contour, make the other one red and move it over. So if we didn't have the white removed, the white would be in there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.